Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to make a USB powered big bulb which is also safe for your USB ports. It is a very useful project for everyone, especially for those people who have to deal with a lot of power outages. Let's proceed to the video, but before that please subscribe to my channel. As you can see, I have a regular LED bulb in my hands. It is for 220 volts. Let's open it. As you can see, this bulb is burnt very badly, but that doesn't matter because I am just going to use its casing, and rest of the things are just a waste for me. This driver inside, it should be removed as well, so I will just pull it. Maybe I should use a plier. It is taking a lot of force, but finally I have removed it, and you can see this casing here. It also acts as a heatsink because it is made of aluminium. This is the old LED circuit board which is also made of aluminium. We are now going to remove everything on this circuit board so that we can add our new LED on this board. I have skipped the components removal process to save your time. I have removed all the components using a heat gun, but you can also use your soldering iron to remove them. Now we need a USB cable which can be harvested from an old mouse or keyboard. Just make sure to cut the cable as per your needed length. I will just use a short cable because it is just a demonstration project. USB cables usually have 4 wires in them, but we will just use the red and the black wires. Everything else can be detached from the cable. I will now drill through the bulb holder to make way for the USB cable. I just broke a piece of this black ceramic while trying to drill, but that doesn't matter. The good thing is I can now insert my USB cable from this hole. And make sure to tie a knot from the inside so that the cable cannot be pulled out. And make sure to gently press this knot to make it a bit firm. As you can see, the cable is perfectly held in the place now. I will now add a 4.7 ohm resistor in the series of the positive wire. It will limit the current flow from the USB power source and prevent it from damaging. This resistor must be rated at 2 watt or higher, and it will also generate a bit heat, so we must use a heat sleeve to cover it, which will also prevent it from shorting with the aluminium casing of this bulb. Now we are going to put the aluminium circuit board back in the place so that we can add our own LED. The hole in the center will allow our wires to go through this circuit board to connect with this LED light. Make sure to use a good quality thermal paste to glue the LED light with the aluminium circuit board so that the heat generated by this LED is properly dissipated. Now gently slide it to evenly spread the thermal paste. By the way, I am using a 3.6 volt and 5 watt LED light which can be easily obtained from any local electronics store. Due to the 4.7 ohm resistor in the series, it will only pull less than a half amp of current from your USB source, and that means it will be operating at almost half of its capacity. Now it is time to test our USB LED bulb. I am using a power bank to test it just to be safe. As you can see, it is working properly, so I think it is now safe to use and test on my laptop. This is my Chromebook and I am going to light this bulb using my Chromebook now. Yes, it is working fine. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and take care of yourself and your family. See you soon with another interesting video.